Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to customize product page in Shopify. This is essential for creating a unique shopping experience that reflects your brand and helps convert visitors into customers. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and navigate to shopify.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Shopify dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your online store. After logging in, you'll land on the homepage. Look over to the left side of your screen and click on Online Store. This section is where all your theme customization and storefront settings live, giving you complete control over how your shop appears to customers. Next, you'll see your current theme displayed. Right beside it, click on Edit Theme. This opens up Shopify's theme editor, which is a powerful tool that lets you modify your store's appearance without needing any coding knowledge. Now at the top of the editor, you'll see a drop-down menu that currently says Homepage. Click on it to reveal all available page types, then select Products, followed by Default Product. This is the template that controls how all your product pages will look, so any changes you make here will apply across your entire catalog. Let's start by customizing the announcement bar. On the left side, click on Announcement Bar, then click on Announcement underneath it. Over on the right side panel, you can change the text to something engaging like Enjoy Shopping. This small touch helps grab attention and can communicate special offers or important messages to your visitors. Next, on the left side, click on Product Information. This section shows all the details your customers see about each product. Click on Buy buttons, and on the right side, you'll notice options to enable or disable dynamic checkout buttons. These buttons allow customers to skip the cart and check out directly, which can speed up the purchase process and potentially increase sales. Now let's add some visual appeal. On the left side, click Add section and search for Slideshow, then click it to add it to your page. This feature creates a rotating carousel of images that can showcase multiple product angles or lifestyle shots. Click on Slide under Slideshow. On the right side, you can select a picture to display in the slideshow. Click Select and browse through your product images, then click Done once you've chosen one. If you want to showcase more images, simply click Add Slide to include additional pictures in your slideshow rotation. You can also customize the text overlays, change the heading to something descriptive like Black T-shirt, then edit the subheading to highlight features like Quality T-shirt. For the button, edit the label to something actionable like View Details and add the direct link to your product page. This creates a clear path for customers to learn more or make a purchase. Once everything looks perfect and you're satisfied with all your customizations, click Save in the upper right corner. This ensures all your changes are applied and visible to your customers. That's it. You've successfully customized your Shopify product page to better showcase your products and create a more engaging shopping experience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.